Hi everyone, welcome to today's lesson on Paste Special in Microsoft Excel. Paste Special is a powerful feature that allows us to paste compiled data in different ways instead of just pasting everything. It gives us more control over what we transfer, such as values, formulas, formats, and calculations. For example, instead of pasting full cells with formula and formats, we choose to paste only value once one desires only without the formula. You can also paste the formula with formatting, and you can also paste the format, that is means style only, comments over the sheet. This helps us clean data, avoid compiling unwanted formulas, and maintain consistency in the report. Now, by the end of this lesson, you will be able to use Paste Special effectively to improve data handling and productivity in Excel. Now, let us now explore more about Paste Special step by step. Now, as we can see here, we are still dealing with the data of cells. Now, under this data, you have different columns. Now, you are going to deal with the column J to J21, which is the revenue. So, we are going to say to copy and paste by using special. And for here, I'm going to go on the value only. Now, by selecting everything here, as you can see, I'm gonna paste, copy it, and then I'm going to paste it here. So once I paste it here, I'm going to choose the value only. This is the value. So now what is going to be the difference? As you can see, you already recognize the difference between the two. So once we select this one, as you can see here, we have the revenue, we have the column of the revenue. And once you click here, you're going to see individual numbers, which is symbolized by this one. As you can see here, as hit here, you can see that with the K, we have the static numbers. While for here, we have live formula. Because once we click here, you're going to see the formula. But for here, you can see a formula. Here, there's a formula. But for here, we are seeing only the static numbers. That is the difference between special and pasting the value. Now let us go on the second one. Once we want to paste the special and then do transpose. Once we talk about the transpose, we are talking about changing the direction. So as for here, we have one column, but by using transpose, we are going to have one row with many columns. Now let's take an example and do the same for this one. We can use this column, and I have copied everything. Then once I want to paste it here, I will choose the transpose this one. So once I click on transpose, as you can see here, you can see that now my column are horizontal and not vertical as before. This is how we can use transpose. We can see a lot of functioning we have, as you can see there. We can also find another way. Like you want to multiply this with 1.1. So what you have to do, you can write 1.1 here, and then after writing it here, you can copy it. After making a copy, you come to select here where you want to multiply with it. So after doing so, you're going to come here and use special. Now you can see the different operations. For us, we are going to multiply. So once you multiply, you are going to multiply. It means every number here is going to be multiplied 1.1. This is what you're going to see. So like here, we are going to see like 1,320 and so forth. Okay, you can see. Now you have that. That is how we can use different and specials in Excel to do a lot of things. So before moving on, I can also show you a lot of things you can do with this one. I'm going to copy this one. Then once I'm going to paste them, I can choose, as you can hear, I can choose to paste here. I can choose value only. I can choose the formula. I can choose transpose. I can choose formatting. And also I can paste the ring where I have the ring. Like everything I'm clicking, you can see the value, how the value are looking. Oh, that's all. Now it's your time to go and explore more about special testing in Excel. Okay, let us meet in next lesson learning more about Excel. See you there.